Hey guys, it's Pauline and you're on my channel where we discuss different confectionery recipes and life hacks. Today I'm gonna tell you about the most common and classic filling that's used a lot in different desserts. It's cream cheese frosting. You might have heard about it either from other confectioners or in my blog, but some of you might not know exactly how to make it. Also, some of you might have faced difficulties while making this frosting despite its simplicity. Before we start, I want to tell you how incredible this frosting is. First of all, it's really easy and quick to make. It has only 3 ingredients, but what makes it outstanding is its thickness and stability. It won't melt at room temperature for quite long. It has a unique tangy flavor, and it's perfect to top cakes, cupcakes, cinnamon buns, and practically anything else you can think of. I'd say that this is a 100% perfect frosting. Let's dive in. We're gonna need 500 grams or 17.6 ounces of soft cream cheese, like Philadelphia Soft Cheese Original. For this recipe, we can't really use ricotta, mascarpone, or processed cheese. Be careful not to mix them up with cream cheese. The cheese you need has to look like that. It's pure white, thick yet not rigid, and quite yielding at the same time. It doesn't flow or look like thick jello. It has a bit of peculiar saltiness to it, which will give our frosting a unique flavor. We need our cheese at room temperature, so it's better to have it out of the fridge for an hour, half hour beforehand. This warmish cream cheese will make our frosting more stable. Next, I've got 100 grams or 3.5 ounces of heavy cream. You always want to use heavy whipping cream because if you take regular cream that contains less than 32% of fat, you won't be able to make this frosting correctly. Also, cold cream whips so much better than warm cream, so make sure it's cold from the fridge. I add the cream to my cream cheese, and the next step is to add powdered sugar. You can add powdered sugar to taste, but remember that the more you add, the thinner your frosting is gonna be. I put 40 grams of it, or 1.4 ounces. I'm gonna be using a stand mixer, but you can also whip it up with a hand mixer. If you don't have either of these, it's gonna be really hard to whisk this mass by hand because the cheese is pretty thick. If you don't want to spend hours mixing your frosting, I recommend using a mixer. I place the bowl and start beating on low speed to let all the powdered sugar settle. And then I beat on high speed. Look at this perfect frosting. It's so velvety smooth, luscious, and dense that we can easily use it for filling, frosting, topping cupcakes, or cinnamon rolls. You can also color it with water-based food coloring and get any color you like. This frosting is so mouth-watering and truly delicious. I hope you'll make it and have it as perfect as it is. It does deserve to be used more often in your desserts. I hope that this video was helpful for you. Thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to find out more information about confectionery. Bye!